Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. I am here making a candy bowl dish. If you would like, you can also use it as something else, even a candle holder. You can sit the candle right in here. But anyway, I was starting to make this and I said, let me shoot a video for this. Maybe other people will get inspired and want to, have a candy dish in their living room or something. But this is very big. I don't know if you can tell, but let me see if I can get something comparable. This is a wine glass, so it is basically double the size of a wine glass, and you can put your hand in it like this to get the candy out. So the mouth needs to be big enough to, put your hand in. And what I did was I bought this from Goodwill. And this is actually 2 pieces. This is a dish itself. It's just a bowl, a tall bowl. And this is a candlestick holder. And I think this was like 99 cents or $1. And this was like $1.50 or $2. They were on sale. So I got it for like basically $2.50, $3 for the whole thing. And I just thought it was so pretty and my head started working right away. And I said, let me put these 2 together. So what I did so far, and I wish I had started from the beginning, but this is 2 pieces like I said. This is the candlestick and this is the bowl glass. I used E600 to put E600 right around that circle on top of the candlestick. Part. And then I waited for like 30 seconds and then I put this bowl right on top. And then I just kind of press down so that it could start adhering to each other. And it takes 24 hours to cure. So after the first time I pressed down, I waited maybe 5 minutes or so, and then I just kind of pressed it again to make sure, it was pressing on all the surfaces in the little circle. And I pressed down again maybe 5 minutes later or so, and just kept pressing for maybe a total of 25 minutes or so. Then I took it and I put it in the back, and you don't want to keep it in the house. E600 is a very loud smell, and it's not the most healthy for you to inhale. You can read the directions and things on the back, the cautions, but they say that it has like a carcinogen in it or some sort. So I don't like to leave this, sitting in the house when I use it. I take whatever it is out, and I also open a window when I'm using this, and you can use a mask also. All right, so the next step that I did is that, let's see, where is my little bowl? This little saucer, paper plate saucer, or foam saucer, I put it in like this and put aside the E600. Now it's time for just some Mod Podge, and I have the glossy kind because I use it as a coating too. So, and this is a little sponge that I got from Walmart. You can get this from Walmart. You can get it from Hobby Lobby. Well, I got this from Hobby Lobby. I'm sorry, I got it from Hobby Lobby. And all I did was around the edges is put the Mod Podge around there, and then I sprinkled this glitter silver around the base, sprinkled it around there, and then shook off the excess, and this is what I came out with. And now we are ready for the next step. And here, I don't know if you can see where it's beveled at right here, the creases that are poking out, the beveled edges. What I'm going to do now is take my Mod Podge and just put Mod Podge right where it's sticking out at. I've already done 2. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on these other ones. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you want it to look a little scattered, if you know what I mean. I don't want it to go all the way down necessarily. Well, yes I do. Put that all the way down to where the other silver starts. And all you do is I put it all the way down to where that silver starts. And you're going to just go ahead and sprinkle your glitter where the Mod Podge is. And I'll be back. And here you are. This is what it's looking like so far. And what I'm going to do next is go ahead and Mod Podge halfway up the dish, all the way around the dish, and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. I'm just going to go around and around. We're going to make it even, make an even line, and then go down and around. Here are the after results of the very first coat. So this is what it looks like so far, and I have to wait for a good, couple of hours for it to dry. Some people don't wait that long, but I just like to. I have other projects to be working on, so I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do one more thing while I have this E600 out. I'm going to put a strip around the middle here. I'm going to put the glue all the way around first, but I just want to show you that I'm going to put this all the way around the middle, these rhinestones. First, I'm going to go ahead and put the glue around. I have the glue all the way around the middle, and I'm going to go ahead and put the rhinestones all the way around as well, pressing them around. Here is the center section right here, all rhinestoned up. All right, you guys, I am back. I am putting on a second coat of Mod Podge. So I will be back in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and finish Mod Podging this. This is the first coat, and it has dried. And I let it dry overnight because I had other projects to work on. So what I'm going to do now, I'm Mod Podging it for the second coat. So I'll show you in a second. All right, I got it all Mod Podged, Mod Podged. See a couple of spots here. So I'm going to take my glitter. Hope you can see that, and I'm going to making sure I'm in view here. And make sure you have something if you're working on your table or what have you. Make sure you got it covered. I have my table covered with newspaper. You can kind of pat it on there too. Make sure it's adhering. You want to work as fast as you can, but you want to get it covered at the same time because you want all your spots covered. I'm making a candy dish, as you can see by the title. You can also use it as a candle holder. You just sit a candle right down in the middle. Okay. It is all covered. And you kind of tap on it a little bit to get the excess off. Okay, you're going to let that dry. Just let it sit and dry. And let me show you something real quick. I also have a paper plate. This is a saucer, but you really need a bigger paper plate, would be better. I just don't have any at home right now, and I forgot to get some at Kroger's, just some plain old paper plates. But anyway, I have this, and then this newspaper is under the plate, so it catches all the glitter. I'm hoping I'm in focus, but ooh, I don't know if you can see that. Let me lift it up a little bit. That's the glitter. And I could be working upstairs in my little studio, but I don't want to get all that glitter in the carpet and stuff. And I know you can vacuum it up, but I'd rather just do it in the daytime in the kitchen while everybody's gone. That way I can just clean up before they come home. But anyway, you put the glitter right back in. You always do one color at a time. After each color that you glitter something with, you want to always empty that back into the glitter. You don't want to wait till after you've done like several projects, you know, and have so many colored glitters in one paper plate or on this newspaper, because then you won't be able to reuse your glitter. And this glitter is still good, of course. It just didn't adhere to the project, so we are putting it right back. And I'm taking this newspaper also, there's extra glitter on it, and I'm putting it right in the container, the glitter container. Hoping that you can see it. Put it in the glitter container. Alright guys, I'm going to put the protective coating on, and it's called Polycrylic, and it's by Mini Wax, and hopefully you can see that. It is a clear gloss, so it's going to keep the shininess for the glitter. So that's what I'm using. I'm going to put that on there right now. What I did is I put it into a styrofoam bowl, and I have my brush here, and I'm just going to apply it. And you can put it on just like the Mod Podge. And you don't want to have too much on the brush so that it doesn't kind of like run down, because this is more liquidy than the Mod Podge. So don't put excess on your brush. It is Friday. It is the day before the show, and there is so much to do. See, it's leaking right there. So just be careful with that. I'm also going to put a spray coating over this so no glitter at all gets off. This seals it up really good, but when you put a spray coating on there after this dries, that seals the deal really good. Want to make sure you're getting every part of the surface. And just keep turning till you get it all coated. All right, it is coated with the polycrylic on all sides. So I'm going to let it dry overnight actually. I'm going to wipe this part down because it can get a little smeary from your fingerprints and everything. So I'm going to wipe this down, and I'm going to add the ribbon and the vinyl writing on it, and I'll let you see when it's all finished. Here's the finished product, you guys. The beautiful, oh, it's just so pretty. Beautiful candy dish. says My Sweet Treats on there. I did that with my Silhouette Cameo. And let me put this white piece of paper on here so you can see it better. My Sweet Treats. It's all shimmery and shiny. Let me turn it a little bit. You can use this in your place of work, you know, on your desk if you want something real pretty sitting on your desk. You can use it in your living room or wherever you want to, your bedroom, your living room, and put some sweet treats in there. If your bedroom or living room is accented in silver or gray or something like that, in your dining room or wherever you want to put it. But it is gorgeous, gorgeous. You can fit your hand down in there. All right, guys, there you go. Hope you like it. And I'll see you next time right back here on Tracy's Place.